So we thought we would show you how we do our little pizzas without a hooded barbecue. When we're off grid, we try and avoid cooking in the oven in the van too much because it just heats up the van, something terrible. So we do have the oven, but yeah, so what we did, we brought the pizza stone away with us. We just used the tray out of the oven to keep the heat in, and we just used the wraps for pizza bases.
Yeah.
And they go all nice and crispy. You can hear the sizzle in that already. That stone's nice and hot. We throw that down, we'll give it probably 2 or 3 minutes max, and then we'll get the spatula under it, spin it around because it's a little bit hotter at the back. And then 4 to 5 minutes from now, delicious cheesy goodness. Alright, so you can hear it sizzling away in there, so you know it's looking alright, but you can see the back of that's crisped up really well. And the front's still just a little bit soft. We'll give it the 180. Back on. Another 2 minutes and she'll be done. So here's one we prepared earlier while we were waiting for that one to cook. As you can see, crispy, cooked perfect. So we normally do a couple of starter ones just with a garlic aioli sauce and use that as the base, and then melt cheese on it, and that's sort of like a cheesy garlic bread starter. Righto, we're good to go. How's that look?
Bloody delicious.
Good?
Yeah. Don't drop him.
Don't drop him. It's a real embarrassment. How's that cooked? Pretty good?
Yep, perfect.
Cool. Are they good, bud? What do you got?
Okay.